Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tax, and today I got a surprise for you guys. This is not your ordinary tech unboxing, but the lifestyle unboxing. What is lifestyle unboxing, you ask? Lifestyle unboxing is everyday item that you would use, yet you would not pay extra attention to it. Lifestyle unboxing is something I share with you guys that I use outside of the tech stuff. What we have here is 3 of the items from the Starbucks Mermaid Series. What we got here is a tumbler, bottle, and a mug or a cup with straw, I suppose. Let's start with the tumbler. The tumbler has the simplest design among these 3. What makes it relevant with the Mermaid Series is the color scheme that used for the design. The capacity for this tumbler is 16 oz. Let us continue with the bottle. You will find the Starbucks Mermaid. From the logo swimming around this bottle and the Starbucks metal ring makes the whole design stand out while retaining understated luxury look. The capacity for this bottle is 20 oz. Let us continue with the mug or the cup with straw. If you know what this called, remember to let us know in the comment down below. The design of this mug or cup with straw is similar with the bottle, but with silver outline which makes the mermaid looks more lifelike. The capacity for this mug or cup with straw is the largest among 3, at 24 oz. By the time this video is out, I think the Mermaid series will be out of stock. This is to share with you guys what we use in our daily life. This will be a once in a while series where we will share what we think worth sharing with you guys. That is all for this lifestyle unboxing. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, we started a Patreon page and now you can directly support our work. We prepared 2 tiers for you guys to support. The first tier is $5 growing tree. By pledging $5 per month, you can help us buy better gears for better video quality and experience. The second tier is the $10 seed purchasing. By pledging $10 per month, you can help us buy more review devices. Our review devices are not sponsored and we purchase it in order to keep our opinion neutral. Remember to support us on Patreon in order for us to continuously produce content for you guys. Thank you for your support. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.